My name is Himanshi and I enrolled for the 2-year integrated classroom program at the Akash Institute. And today I am extremely happy for my success. And all the credit of my success goes to my parents and the Akash Institute. Respected Chairman Sir and CEO Sir at the Akash Institute motivated and inspired me every now and then through their personal interaction and motivational speeches, which are oriented towards cultural values along with providing respect to our parents and elders. This is unique feature here at the Akash Institute.
नॉर्मल चीज़ की मैं बार बार कहता हूँ कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। इम्तिहान के अंदर भी आपसे एक्सेप्शनल प्लांट पूछे जाते हैं, नॉर्मल प्लांट का क्वेश्चन नहीं आता। तो इसलिए एक्सेप्शनल बनने के लिए आपको हमेशा स्ट्राइव करना है।
Classroom sessions here at Akash Institute are very interactive and competitive. Faculties are very much cooperative and help us solve all our doubts and provide crystal clear concepts.
तो अगर आपके लिए यहाँ पे L का वैल्यू आता है 1, अब L का वैल्यू 1 कैसे आएगा? आप सोचिए, आप ऐसा प्लेट पास कर सकते हैं जिस पे इलेक्ट्रॉन क्वालिटी क्या है? 0.
Even in this difficult time of the corona pandemic, the Akash Institute helped me a lot during my preparation. We were provided with more than 100 mock tests for the NEET and detailed analysis of each test by expert Akash faculty. Even in case of doubt, we could clear our doubt through the WhatsApp or through online session through Zoom or MS Teams and other online apps.
उसको हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? We can write it कि VA minus VC is equal to VA minus VN1.
Study package of Akash Institute help us in both board and entrance examinations. These packages are based on NCERT text along with additional content such as Knowledge Cloud, Try Yourself and etc. And they are very good for cracking the medical entrance examination. Study packages such as Akash Explorer and The Last Leap for NEET provide best concept and practice to crack NEET. The Last Leap for NEET contains a wide variety of questions which help us to make our concept crystal clear. A series of tests and examinations are conducted each fortnight and term which help us to evaluate our preparation and prepare us well to face the various board and other competitive examinations. The AIATS, which is an all India exam, is conducted every month which help us to identify our mistake and then rectify them. The AIATS also provides an all India rank which help us to identify our position and where we are standing at the present, which makes us evaluate our progress and the further implementations that are needed. Even during the corona time, when all the things in the world were halted, our preparation continued as we were provided with a wide variety of tests including the intensive program, the rank booster series which helped us to overcome our exam phobia. Through the test, we were also provided detailed analysis by the teachers which helped us to rectify our mistakes and side by side correct them. The doubt session here at Akash Institute aim at clearing our concept, thereby leaving no room for doubts. There is a specific arrangement of subject-wise efficient teachers. We are able to ask all the doubts we have. And there is personal one-to-one interaction with the teachers. We are able to ask all the doubts we have and make our concepts crystal clear.
It is follow second order kinetics.
Yes, sir.
Second order kinetics means rate of reaction depend on substrate as well as
Yes.
nucleus.
iTutor is the best platform provided only by the Akash Institute in the country, which help to make us learn and prepare all classroom lectures which we otherwise could not attend due to factors like illness or any other disturbances. iTutor includes lectures recorded by best faculty member of Akash, provide actual classroom teaching environment.
Leeuwenhoek. Yes, for the first time he observed the living cells. तो जो living cells Leeuwenhoek ने observe करे, that is bacteria.
Library at Akash Institute is very well maintained and enriched with foreign author books along with best Indian author books which may be required for preparation along with the study package. Throughout the 2-year program, additional expense on books are not required. I would like to thank my parents, the faculties at Akash and the infrastructure provided at the Akash Institute. Since the last 2 years, all faculties at Akash helped me in making my journey possible. Therefore, I suggest all medical aspirants to come here and experience the success at Akash because it is definitely the best platform to crack the medical entrance exam.